You can be in a relationship with a person who deletes your number. You understand? That person can come again and say, baby, give me your number again. Where is my number? Because you are used to call me. You understand? Because maybe there is some missed calls, received calls. You understand? Where is my number? So it means that he deletes your number. You understand? Just because you are not important in his life. Because guys, you can't be in a relationship with a person 2 minutes. When he is angry with you, he deletes your number. When he is happy, he can come again, baby, give me your number. Maybe that person does it 2 3 times. You understand it? His phone is not lost. It's guys, it's so difficult. Maybe it's reasonable that his phone is still, maybe someone stealing his phone. You understand? He have got another new phone, so that's why he can ask your number again. There is no reason. You can asking him, where is my number? He doesn't have answers. You understand? That person, he doesn't have answers to answer you the reason why he doesn't have your number, just because he used to call you with that number. Where is that where is your number, your cell phone number? You understand? That person, he doesn't have answers or reasons why he doesn't have your number. It means that he delete all the contracts, the missed calls, the messages. You understand? Why he deletes that? He have got another, he is in another relationship with another person. You understand? Who is important in his life. So he doesn't want that woman to saw the miss the calls, the contracts, or what. You understand? That person, it means that he is not serious with you. Guys, sometimes you don't need anyone to explain the health of your relationship, how health is. You have to saw it for it in yourself. You understand? Because you can be in a relationship with a man 2 minutes, he delete your number. You understand? He can say, baby, please give me your number. Maybe you give him, and he can come again maybe 3 4 times, 5 times. You understand? It means that person, he deletes your number. Or you can be in a relationship with a person, when he is angry with you, he can block you. You understand? He can block you, especially men. You understand? Guys, sometimes there is no one who wants to explain with you how healthy is the relationship. Sometimes you have to leave that person. You understand? Because he doesn't care about you. There is someone special in his life. You are not special. It means that there is someone special in his life. He doesn't want to see your contracts in his phone.